Hey guys, in this video I am going to make a portable mini speaker. So let's get started. First of all, these are the components that you need for making an amplifier. LM386 is the main component. This is a popular IC for amplification. And you will need 25 volt 220 microfarads capacitor and 10k resistor. I savaged a speaker. These are small so that our speaker will be small at last when we complete it. You will need wood glue. Then you will also need paint. I bought this gloss finish white paint. You will need 8 mm plywood. Draw lines on a paper for cutting the plywood. Stick the paper to the plywood. After cutting the plywood with hacksaw, I drilled holes on the front piece for the speaker screw and for wires. You should cut the plywood, otherwise it won't be square. Glue the pieces together with plenty amount of glue. While the case is drying, I soldered the components in a puff board. I also soldered one speaker for testing it. After giving it finished by sanding I started to paint layer by layer instead of applying a thick coat of paint. Afterwards, I placed a toggle switch, but it was not nice. So I decided to use a push switch. But there were two problems if I use push switch. If I just screw this, then it will look like this. So I should fill the gap with plywood. Then the hole was too small that it cannot go through it. I enlarged the hole. Then after doing everything, it looked like this. After gluing the 9-volt battery with double-sided tape and connecting the 9-volt battery connector to the battery, I used high-quality wood screw for closing the case. And wood screws are great. You no need to drill holes. I mixed 80% of glue to 20% of water. I also painted glitter orange paint on the case. Then I took my mixture of glue and water and applied it on the case with my brush. Otherwise, the paint won't be lasting for much time. And the project is complete. Now I can hear the music and enjoy it. This time I will do a much better advanced speaker. So until then, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. It will be awesome. Stay creative and I will see you next time.